In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Klarna app on your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google Play Store, which is over here to the left of my screen right now. And then once you open this up, what you have to do next is go to the very bottom right where you can see the search icon. So click on search, go to the very top where it says search apps and games, and in here just type in Klarna. So just like I did, and then you want to click on search bottom right. And after that, as you can see, the second result will be Klarna Shop Now, Pay Later. Now, to actually download it, you want to click on it, and then over here it says install, the blue button in the middle. You want to click on that install button, and as you can see, it's going to start pending for a bit. And after it stops pending, it's gonna basically just start installing to your mobile device. And then after that's done, you will simply have it on your phone. You'll be able to open it up, create or open up your account, and after that, you can start using Klarna. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.